into the Class T fuse holders. So here we have two Class T fuse holders. So we have 225 to 400 amp fuse holder, and then we have the 450 to 600 amp fuse holders. Class T is premium fusing. It's more expensive, but it provides the best protection for circuits. And you can see from here as well, we've got our Pro Installer interconnection height. We have a range of linking products in this display here. These are done in red acrylic just for demonstration purposes. Our range of linking bars is done in high quality tin copper designed to carry those currents. So simply mount the units together, drop the linking bar on, bring one cable in. Very, very easy installation, most compact installation. Everything is pushed together, minimum mounting footprint, so that we're saving time, we're saving space in the installation. Same covers. Still details with the for fuse inspection and the label recess. You can see here where we've removed some of the areas to bring the cables in and the connections in. Very easy installation.